Good morning, student. Today I will discuss the surface area in parametric forms. There are three situations about the surface area. First, revolution about x-axis. Second, revolution about y-axis. And third is revolution about the parallel lines. So first we take the equation of curve in parametric form, that is the surface area. Surface area in parametric form. Parametric form. It means the equation of curve is of the form y is a function of t and x is also a function of t. This form is known as parametric forms. Now, first, the revolution about x-axis. Rotation of the curve about x-axis. Rotation about curve for x-axis. Then let y equal to f of x be a curve f of t and x is equal to also function of t for every t defining the range of interval equal to alpha. In this case, the surface area s equal to integral t1 to t2 2 pi y ds. Now we change the perimeter ds in term of t. This is like integral t1 to t2 2 pi y ds upon dt into dt. Here the value of ds upon dt equal to under root dx upon dt whole square plus dy upon dt whole square. Now substituting the value of ds upon dt, then the surface area s equal to integral t1 to t2 2 pi y into under root dx upon dt whole square plus dy upon dt whole square into dt. Now this is the required solution of surface area in parametric form. Now we take the second type of rotation, that is the rotation about y-axis. Rotation about y-axis. In this case, there is a slightly modification in the previous formula. Then surface area will be s equal to integral t1 to t2 2 pi x into under root dy by dt whole square plus dy by dt dx by dt whole square into dt. This is the required formula of surface area in terms of parametric form when the curve is rotated about y-axis. In this sequence, we consider the curve in polar form. Now we consider the curve in polar form. In polar form. It means the equation of the curve is a function of r and theta. That is, r is a function of theta or theta is a function of r, then the equation of curve is known as polar form. Here also a three situation of rotation. First rotation about the line theta equal to 0 degree. That is the initial line. When the curve is rotated about the line theta is equal to 0 degree or initial line in polar coordinate system, theta is equal to 0, that is the initial line, and theta is equal to pi by 2, theta is equal to pi, and theta is equal to 3 pi by 2. That is the pole in polar coordinate. Now we first take the rotation about the line theta is equal to 0 degree. Then the surface integral theta equal to theta 1 to theta 2 2 pi by ds. 2 pi by ds. Now again we change ds in term of theta. Then this formula can be written as integral theta 1 to theta 2 2 pi y ds upon d theta into d theta. Now here we want to find the value of ds upon d theta. In terms of polar coordinate, this value is ds upon d theta equal to under root r square plus dr by d theta whole square. Now we substitute the value of ds upon d theta in the basic formula. Then the surface area will be integral theta 1 to theta 2 2 pi y into under root r square plus dr by d theta whole square into d theta. Now this is the required formula of surface area when the curve is polar coordinate about the initial line. Here where y equal to x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta in terms of polar coordinate. We put this value in the calculation so that all the integral will converted in term of theta. Similarly, second case, if we take the rotation about the line theta is equal to pi by 2 about the line theta is equal to pi by 2, then the surface area as equal to integral theta 1 to theta 2 2 pi x under root r square plus dr by d theta whole square into d theta. Here x is equal to r cos theta. That is the second formula of surface area when the curve is rotating about the line theta is equal to pi by 2. In this sequence, in the same fashion, we consider some numerical problem that are related to these formula. Now we take question first. Find the surface area of the curve. Find the surface area of the curve x is equal to 3 plus 2t, y equal to 9 minus 3t. When it rotated about y-axis and t is less than equal to 4, greater than equal to 1. When it rotated about y-axis solution. In order to solve this question, first of all check the given equation which form. Now the given equation is parametric form. X is a function of t and y is also function of t. It means the given equation is a parametric form. Then we apply here the formula of surface area in terms of parametric form. Given that x equal to 3t, so x equal to 3 plus 2t and y equal to 9 minus 3t. Now dx upon dt equal to 2 and dy upon dt equal to minus 3. Therefore, the surface area S equal to in terms of parametric form, regulation about y-axis, integral t1 to t2 2 pi integral t1 to t2 2 pi x into ds upon dt into dt, where ds upon dt equal to under root dx upon dt whole square plus dy upon dt whole square. Now first we calculate the value of ds upon dt by using these derivatives. Then ds upon dt equal to under root dx upon dt whole square means 4 plus dy by dt it means 9. This implies under root 13. Now the value of ds upon dt